Hi soulmates, welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial, I am going to be taking you through the steps of creating this beautiful puff sleeve. So this video is actually going to cover both the drafting, cutting and sewing process, and you want to watch this video to the end so you don't miss out on any step. Also, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. If you have any question, kindly drop it in the comment section. Alright, so let's get straight into this tutorial. So guys, I have gone ahead to draft out my basic sleeve pattern. If you don't know how to draft a basic sleeve pattern, we actually have a tutorial up on our channel, so you actually want to watch that. It is very detailed. So for this particular one, we actually came down from the edge of our fabric by 5 inches. This is going to be the space for creating the puff. So this is 5 inches. Then this is my shoulder to the sleeve length, and we actually went ahead to mark out our bicep measurement, divided it by 2, and we formed our curve. Then this other line is our side seam allowance, okay, our sewing allowance, sorry. So what we're going to be doing right now is to come up by 3.5 inches. This is going to be the length of our puff. So because the puff we're actually working on is a minimal puff, we're using 3.5. If you want yours to be very long, you can actually increase it by 4 inches, 5 inches, 6 inches, depending on the results you want to get. Then around the armhole area, we are going to be coming in by 2 inches. That is what I marked here, okay, 2 inches. Then after that, at this middle line, we are going to be marking 4 inches. So I'm going to create 4 inches. Then back to this puff area, which is on the real shoulder, we are marking 1.5, and we are going to be connecting these lines together. So these lines we actually created, they are just guidelines in order to help us create our new armhole curve. Okay, so using our curve ruler, I am going to be connecting these lines together. So after drawing these lines together, I went ahead to use my freehand method to just connect the lines properly. Then while connecting this, I try to eliminate all sharp edges. Then we're going to go ahead and cut this pattern out. So guys, after drafting this pattern, I went ahead to transfer it to my fabric. And if you're wondering the best fabric to use for your puff sleeves or your structured sleeve, you need a fabric that has a higher GSM, which means gram per square meter. So to extend this further, you need a fabric that is a bit thick and not a lightweight fabric, okay? So for this one, I am actually making use of Mikado fabric, and I went ahead to transfer my patterns to this fabric. So after transferring this, the next thing I did was to notch this area, because that is where the puff extension started from, and that is where we're going to pleat it to. So we're going to be notching this, and we're also going to notch the midpoint of our sleeve, which is here. Then after doing this, I'll take this to the sewing machine. So right on the machine area, this is what we have. We're going to open this up, and I'll be making sure my stitches will be at the wrong side of our fabric. So guys, right now you can actually determine the kind of pleats you want, whether you want it to have an inverted pleat or a box pleat. It depends on you. But for this tutorial, this is how I am going to pleat this. I'll make sure the right side, the pleat faces the right side, and the other side I'll make sure the pleat is facing the left side, right? Then I will go ahead and stitch on this. So let us pleat this together. So guys, after stitching, this is what our puff is looking like, and can you see how beautiful it's looking? It's already coming out properly. So this, remember, we actually made use of the back side of our fabric, so I'm going to be flipping this to the right side so you'll see how it's actually going to look like on our shoulders. Then before that, okay, let me show you. This is what it's going to look like. Can you see how beautiful it is? So the next thing I'm going to do right now is to finish up the other edges. I'm going to sew the side seam and I'm going to fold the hem. But first things first, I'm going to be folding the hem like this, and I will go ahead and stitch on this. So guys, if you've gotten to this part of the video, I wonder why you've not liked, shared, nor subscribed to our channel. Please kindly do, okay? So we are going to sew this, and I went ahead to trim out the excesses. Then we are going to give this a very good press, and this is the final result of our sleeve. Can you see how beautiful this sleeve is? It can actually work with your body fitted gowns, it can actually work with your jackets. Just get creative with these sleeves. So guys, we've actually come to the end of this video. If you actually got value, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to this channel, okay? We are going to be dropping mostly tutorials in this channel, and if you want to be the first to see those tutorials, kindly hit on the notification bell near the subscribe button. All right, thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye.